Abba chiwumba tutudugwo kyana gwe nawe gwe mukazi gwe Daniela nze sivangayo kwamba naye oli musiru togenda kufunayo taata wa Abba mulala nawe Abba togenda kufunayo kitaawe mulala atali ka million mbwagwe.
Look at his head. Look at his head.
No suka no kusimikira ebinyo mu jajja they are evil. Chagabe mu jajja awagura they are evil. Mubaga batatu.
Let me tell you guys something real quick. The quickest way to know people, the quickest way to know that someone is not intellectually up there is if they have to yell to deliver their point. Look at how he's yelling. He's just screaming like as if the person that's interviewing him is not right in front of him. Look at him.
No suka no kusimikira ebinyo mu jajja they are evil. Chagabe mu jajja awagura they are evil. Mubaga batata bwalifa tulijera. Gwe mbizi gwe Abba oli kyana kitata nkuzala.
Me busy. Me, Zay busy. Me, I'm the busy. Hey God. I don't even have to say anything. I don't even have to say anything. I know. Look at him. I don't have to say nothing. I don't. What? I don't have to say nothing. Look. See? That's exactly what I'm talking about.
The idiot went to the best schools. Bakulira muyenga nga ne motoke batwala ku ssomero nga buli kyebagala bakiina bw'omubuuza maama we yali akola mulimu ki.
Okay. Since he called me an idiot, I'm not going to feel any type of way to hold anything back. I believe that this is a completely stupid, utterly stupid and idiotic take. I know for a fact he doesn't explicitly mention me. But context clues lead me to decide that this is a message that concerns me and what my cause had to do and how I came on TikTok and dealt with my family business, okay? All these things that he's saying are valid points. You know what I'm saying? But it's nothing special. Let me give you guys an example. There's one type of person that I do not like. There's people that complain about paying their children's school fees. Oh, I'm broke. Nasasude school fees. I just paid school fees. Who asked you to pay school fees? It's a what's it called? It's what we call bare minimum. Your father sending you to good schools. Your father providing food on the table. Your father providing for your family, right? Your father providing everything for you to grow up to be a better man than he was it's what we call bare minimum. It's his obligation. Nobody should give him a round of applause. Nobody should give no father a round of applause. Oh, good job. You sent your children to school. You gave them good food. You put clothes on their body. They're doing good in life because of you. Oh, great job. Is that how low the bar has gotten? Tell me if I'm wrong. Is that how low the bar has gone? Because to me, that's responsibility. Uneducated. You know what I'm saying? And stigmas are backwards. She has nothing, bro. She has nothing that is sensible that she's really saying. You know what I'm saying? And you can tell she's making a joke out of, she doesn't even care for real. She's just opening her mouth and saying nothing. You know what I'm saying? And I was actually talking about this with my mom. Before I even came on here, it started talking about the issues that were going on with, like, to do with my dad's health and stuff. She was telling me not to, you know what I'm saying? But I was like, nah, I gotta do this. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how these problems, like, connect to her and why she has why she feels the authority to comment on stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? Look at her, bro. Look, let's be serious, y'all. Look, are you telling me that a woman that looks like this, I should take her serious? She goes to the point of embarrassing me on the internet, talking about I'm finna get a girl pregnant. I'm not a kid no more. That's why she's still stuck there. That's why Uganda is like this, because we have such uneducated people. Now we're gonna respond to my uncle.
Circumstances.
Alright, guys. I don't want to be disrespectful here because this is my family, right? But we all know something I cannot say. You know what I'm saying? We all know something that I cannot say. Obviously, he's gonna be what's it called? Defending my dad. You know what I'm saying? We all know something that I must not say. Just know these two people are very similar.
Abba yandisose
And I'm gonna explain it here in a
n'abuuza
second.
taata we ki ekikunywesa kibayita omuzungu kyayita circumstances. Twakula tuli babebi nga tuli innocent naye why lwaki omuntu atuuka neyeefumita empiso neyeekuba eddagala nga yeekuba drugs kati
Look. Bro. Okay. Look. Does anybody on earth have a perfect life?